Welcome to a moment with Rukwaru. Now, the issue of payment is very, very crucial, and it's very important to have a direction in matters of etiquette. Who is supposed to pay? Now, whoever who has invited you is the one who is supposed to pay. Unless, when you're having a meeting, you have decided that you are going to split the bill, or what we call the Dutch method. If you have decided to split the bill, that is fine. It is okay. But please, the accepted norm in modern society is the one who has extended the invitation is the one who is supposed to meet the bill. Now, yes, it has come now to a time of payment, and you have got a credit card. But when you swipe the credit card, it declines. So how are you going to behave? You don't need to panic and tell all and sundry that the credit card has declined. Don't cause any unnecessary panic to your colleagues. Talk to the management and ask them if they can accept a check, if you have a check. If they don't accept, and probably you have got a Visa card, you just excuse yourself. If there is an ATM around, you go and withdraw money. And if those scenarios are all difficult, you will have to surrender yourself to the masses of your visitors and tell them to bail you out. And when they bail you out, please, it is an accepted practice that you should make sure you pay them within 24 hours. Within 24 hours, please pay them their money. Thank you very much. I hope you have understood how you have to behave when it comes to payment. Thank you very much for listening to me. I will just encourage those who have not subscribed to subscribe so that you have more on etiquette, so that you will not be embarrassed and live with bitter memories of the shame you found yourself in the midst of respected people whom thought that you know how to behave. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Thank you.